for our next class. So stay safe at home by following 3 simple tips, that is SMS. S means maintain social distance, M is wear face mask, and S is wash your hands frequently with soap or Dettol hand wash or anything, so to keep us safe from this coronavirus. Okay, so we have already discussed the previous topics like what food from which part, which plant, which part of the plant is consumed and all. We have finished this page number 5, right? Now in today's class we will learn about how people develop food habits. Okay, so if you turn your page number 6 in your textbook, please have a look at the heading, how people develop food habits. So normally we have a certain food habits. The people living in one state, they have one food habits, right? So what makes people to develop food habits, we are going to discuss today, right? So people living in one region usually share common food habits. Like for example, we, our neighbors or people living in this Telangana state, they share common food habits. Yes or no? So you might have seen paddy fields near your village. Yes or no? When we go to our grandma's village or somewhere, if we go on the way beside, we can see many paddy fields, right? So why you see only particular paddy fields? Because paddy is consumed in our area, our state, hence we can see the growing of cultivation of paddy fields in our locality. Yes, so in our state, our geographical and climatic conditions, geographical in the sense the type of soil, the water availability in the soil, these all are suitable, and climatic conditions are suitable for us to cultivate paddy in the sense rice. Hence we grow rice here, hence we cultivate rice more here, and as we are cultivating it more, rice and rice products, we consume it in our day-to-day life. Yes, so here even the farmers grow various types of food crops, but we generally use paddy and paddy products as our food, right? Now we eat more rice and rice products when compared to other cereals. We also take chapati, maize, etc., bajra, jowar, etc. as our food, but rice we consume more. So if you take example of Rajasthan is another state. If you take the example of Rajasthanis, they consume chapati or roti more, right? Why? Because their geographical and climatic conditions are suitable to grow wheat, bajra, etc. more. So as what we are growing more, that we consume more. So in that sense, the people will develop the food habits. Okay. Now here, many times we hear people saying, I like this curry. Yes or no? Obviously, I do have my favorite curry. You people have your favorite curry. Yes or no? So generally we speak with our friends. When we are conversing with our friends, we tell, I like this curry, that curry, I don't like that curry. What makes us feel like that? That we are going to discuss today. Okay, so this it's not a good habit to tell I like this curry, so I consume that only. Why? Because every food item has got one or the other nutrients in them. So it is very good habit to consume all types of food. We have to take a balanced diet, the diet which consists of all kind of nutrients. Okay. So eating every type of food, eating all types of food is very good to health, because they give one or the other nutrients to our body. Okay. Now let us see. Now can we consume all the food items raw? No. So we have a certain method of preparation, and we have different methods of preparing food. Yes, so that we will learn today. So we learn different methods of preparing food. Okay, so preparing food is an extremely important art. Yes or no? If your mother cooks, everyone cooks with their own style, right? As we are habituated to eat with our mother's hand, we like the way our mother cooks, right? So cooking food tasty is an art actually. Yes, it's an important art. If it is cooked the way we won't like it to consume, right? So So it is very essential for life also. So there are many ways of preparing food. Some to prepare one food, way we adopt. For example, if to cook rice we adopt the boiling method. To roast peanuts we use it just a roasting process. Yes or no? To cook one or other food items, one different method we adopt. Yes or no? So here we'll see how here your table 5, in your table 5 in page number 6, your table 5 shows processes involved in making food. Okay, so your table consists of heading method of preparing food, different methods of preparing food is given, and next is food items, what food items are prepared by using this method are given. Okay, so shall we start with the table? You all are ready with your pencils in your hand. So whenever you are working, when you are listening to the class, please hold pencils in your hand and you can underline the new words. Yes, so you can copy from textbook, from board also. Yes, so shall we start? Now here table 5 is processes involved in making food. So first method, boiling is given. By using boiling method, what food items we make? We make potatoes, eggs, rice also we boil and eat, no? So different pulses also, dal also we'll boil it, then we'll do further processing of food. Okay, so next is what? Steaming, you know, no? Just idli is just you know, when water turns into vapor, we call it as a steam. By steaming method we cook idlis. Yes or no? For breakfast we use it, idlis. Next is fermentation. Fermentation means, have you ever observed when your mother is preparing idlis or dosas on the next day, one day beforehand she'll soak the rice and this one black gram, and after grinding it, then the whole night she'll keep it for fermentation. That method we call it as fermentation. In fermentation method what happens? Yeast grows in that and helps in rising of the flour, level of the flour, that makes our dosa soft and tasty. Okay, so by fermentation method what is cooked? Idlis are cooked, dosa, bread is also fermented. You know, bread we take, right? Bread is also prepared by fermentation method. Obviously baking they do, but first method is what? They'll do the fermentation process, then they'll opt for next method of cooking. In case of dosa also, first after grinding it is fermented, then that fermented one will put it on a pan and will make a dosa. Okay, so by fermentation method we use all this, we cook all these food items, right? Now coming to roasting, you know, no? Just on a pan we'll just expose the food items to the flame, heat. Okay, so that by roasting method, chicken, peanuts before making chutney, peanuts are roasted, right? And fish also is roasted and consumed. So what you write here? Chicken, after that put comma and write peanuts, P-E-A-P-N-U-T-S, nuts, peanuts, comma, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. Now next is what? Deep frying. Deep frying in the sense, more quantity of oil we take in the vessel and we just deep fry. If you take the example of vada, puri, these food items are deep frying. Okay. So fish, chicken, sometimes potato chips, they are deep fried. Puri, vada, these all are deep fried. See, few food items I am telling. If you remember, if you observe in your kitchen, you ask with your parents and you fill this further. Okay. Now coming to the next page, that is page number 7. This is the continuation of this table here. So shallow frying, what we do, like vegetables like lady's finger fry, potato fry, or rich gourd, bitter gourd fries we do, no? So that we call shallow frying. So vegetables are cooked in that manner. Dosa, chapati, etc. These are done with shallow frying. Okay, I am repeating: vegetables, comma, write down, vegetables, comma, dosa, D-O-S-A, dosa, comma, chapati, C-H-A-P-A-T-I, chapati, comma, etc. Okay, you can add up anything if you want. Now next method of cooking is chopping and mixing. By chopping and mixing, what you will prepare? Vegetable salad, pickles. Have you observed your grandparents or your parents, your mother, she'll cut the pieces of mango and they, by adding some preservatives like salt, turmeric, they do the pickles. Okay, they make pickles. So that is by chopping and mixing they prepare. Vegetable salad is also prepared in that manner, and pickles are also done. Okay, if anything is there, you add up. Now coming to the last one, that is cutting and mixing. Cutting and mixing. Fruit salad, vegetable salad, just we'll cut the fruit after washing or peeling off. We'll just cut them and arrange so that our fruit salad is ready. So these all are the different basic methods of cooking. If other than this any more methods are there, please elaborate this table. Okay, I hope you understood till here. So till here I am going to wind up today's lesson. Now what I am going to do, I'll give you few more key points. I hope 2 to 3 key points you have noted, 3 key points you have noted, I feel. So from today's class, please note down all this 7 new words. Okay, note down this 7 new words. Note down these 7 new words, and after that key points I will be dictating. Please take down. Anyway, these new words will be displayed in your video. Key points I am dictating. Please take down. Okay. So first key point from today's class is, take down. The materials which are required, required to prepare prepare the materials which are required to prepare food, F-O-O-D, food, are known as, N-K-N-O-W-N, known as ingredients, I-N-G-R-E-D-I-E-N-T-S, ingredients. Okay, I am repeating the point. The materials which are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. So this is your first key point. Okay, this is your first key point from today's class. Now coming to the second one, just put the serial number as 2 and take down this point. People, second point, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living in one region, R-E-G-I-O-N, region, usually, U-S-U-A-L-L-Y, usually, share, S-H-A-R-E, share, common, C-O-M-M-O-N, common, food habits, food, F-O-O-D, food, habits, H-A-B-I-T-S, full stop. Okay, so people living in one region usually share common food habits. Okay, next point. In our state, O-U-R-R, state, S-T-A-T-E, state, geographical, G-E-O-G-R-A-P-H-I-C-A-L, geographical, and climatic, C-L-I-M-A-T-I-C, climatic, conditions, C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-S, conditions are, A-R-E-R, suitable, S-U-I-T-A-B-L-E, suitable, to cultivate, C-U-L-T-I-V-A-T-E, cultivate or grow, or grow rice, 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 paddy, paddy, rice or paddy. Okay, full stop. So in our state, I am repeating the point, in our state geographical and climatic conditions are suitable to cultivate paddy or rice. Okay, full stop. Next point, preparing food, preparing food, P-R-E-P-A-R-I-N-G, preparing food is an extremely, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y, extremely important, I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important, art, A-R-T, art, comma, essential, E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L, essential for life, F-O-R for L-I-F-E, life. I am repeating the point. Preparing food is an extremely essential, preparing food is an extremely important art, essential for life. Full stop. Okay. So these are the points what you have written, you have to write today. And what is today's homework is, draw figure 3 in your notebook. I am writing on the board. Your homework is draw and label figure 3 of page number 5 from textbook. Okay, so here you can see now in page number 5 figure 3, all these diagrams, they are mixed in groups. Okay, all these diagrams are mixed in groups. In this, half are condiments or Sugandha Dravyalu. Keep main heading as condiments and draw this by write names below. Okay, and next keep main heading as dry fruits on next of the page. For supposingly this is your notebook page divided into half. On the top half keep heading as condiments or Sugandha Dravyalu and draw this up to here. Okay, then in your next down half page keep the main heading as dry fruits and draw this. Okay, I already told you, I have given you in the ground rules how to draw diagrams, right? So you can use color pencils to draw. Please do not use sketches or crayons. Okay, use only color pencils to draw the diagrams. Normal pencil you can use, but also use color pencils which makes the diagram look attractive. Okay, so it looks neat, right? So please follow this. This is your homework. So I hope you have copied, taken down this new words. Then after that key points, and then your continuation is homework. Homework to be written on the classwork side itself. No need to draw at the back of your notebook. Okay, where to write homework after writing these points, key points I have dictated today now. After writing those points, please draw this diagram. Okay, keep a small heading as homework and put today's date. I mean the video when you receive, that date you put, and draw this diagram with neat labeling. Okay ma? Hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you all.